Cohesion is how a group sticks together for the benefit of the team, what keeps them bonded while trying to reach their goals, and to satisfy all members of the team or group.
Structured exercise groups are ones where the time, place, and frequency of exercise are pre-planned by someone outside of the group. For example, coach planning the practices, meetings for team bonding, and other team activities. These types of groups are most commonly found in university settings, fitness clubs, and more. There is a positive relationship between the perceptions of cohesion and adherence within structured exercise settings. Unstructured exercise groups are ones in which the same variables are set by individual group members. Examples of unstructured groups are walking with friends or family or lifting weights with coworkers. Members of an unstructured exercise group have to cohere around factors related to group involvement in order to ensure that the group will meet and what will be done. This requires more interdependence where group members may be influencing others' activities.
Dimensions of cohesion. The first one is group integration task. It's a measure of the individual's perceptions of the similarity, closeness, and bonding within the group around the task. The next one is group integration social. This reflects the perceptions of similarity, closeness, and bonding within the group around social orientations. Individual attractions to group task assesses an individual's attraction to the group's task, productivity, and goals and objectives. Individual attractions to group social reflects an individual's personal desire to remain within the group for social reasons.
A total number of 125 individuals who participated in an unstructured exercise setting were included in this study. The participants had to have been active within an unstructured exercise setting within the last 6 months to be included in this study. They were asked the types of activities they did, the number of participants they were with, why they chose that setting, along with other important questions. They were asked to respond to the question, thinking about the last 6 months, how many times were you active in the specified activity setting in a typical month? The researchers created a modified version of the group environment questionnaire to assess cohesion in sports teams and reflect the nature of an exercise group.
Individuals reported engaging in a variety of unstructured activities with a group size from 2 to more than 10. The reasons that participants gave for choosing that particular setting also varied from the need to be motivated and challenged by group members to the need to receive assistance from group members. This did not differ across groups of different sizes. Group size was identified to be an important correlate of group cohesion in exercise groups. These results may not generalize to the entire population due to a few factors. 1. These participants knowingly volunteered. 2. Majority of participants were female, therefore results may be gender specific. And 3. More than 2/3 of participants reported on a dyad.
Running with coworkers is an example of an unstructured setting. Unstructured exercise groups tend to have less cohesion. Cohesion is less present in unstructured settings because they would need to make and set a time where everyone is available, working on multiple different schedules. Coworkers could live multiple kilometers or miles away from each other, and finding a reasonable place to meet and route that accommodates everyone may also be difficult. Frequency of exercise participation can be affected because of the number of different schedules and things going on in everyone's lives. It may be difficult to get everyone or the majority of the group to meet so many times a week or month. If a number of coworkers were to go running as a group, they would be running together. However, talking would be limited as people do not usually make conversation while running. Therefore, cohesion is limited.
In conclusion, this proves that there is less cohesion in unstructured groups because they do not have an outside member pre-planning these variables like a coach on a structured team would. In an unstructured setting, they need to make time to include everyone and maintaining group cohesion among themselves. While in a structured setting, the coach and other members would be involved in planning practices, team meetings, and team building events such as dinner, going to a professional game, and more.